As a JavaScript developer, you're going to be learning a lot, and there's going to be some problems that you're not going to know the answer to. Even after you finish this course, I guarantee you will still need further help and be able to find information. In this lesson, I'm going to show you some resources you can use to help you troubleshoot common problems you are going to encounter as a JavaScript developer. First, let's look at the Mozilla Developer Network. If, for instance, you ever need help with strings, you can reference the JavaScript section of the MDN. There are all types of commands, messages, and properties listed on this page that can help you with your coding. Anytime you have a problem or just want to learn something new, you can come here and reference all the helpful information for free. For example, let's use the MDN to learn a new command we can use to work with our new strings. Let's take a look at the link command. On this page, we can see all the information about this command as well as example we can use to try it out with. Let's take the example and add it to our JavaScript program just for this lesson. Here we are creating a variable called hotText, and we are giving it the value of MDN. Then we are creating another variable called URL, and the value is the link to the MDN website. With our console.log command, we are writing to the console the following: our string plus our value from hotText, then using the link command to make our URL variable a hyperlink, that if we click on it, it will take us directly to the web page. This might be a little bit complicated, especially when you're using commands you have never seen before, but don't worry, practice will make you better. Let's run the program and see what happens. We can see that we have our text on our page, and then we have a link we can click here that takes us to the Mozilla Developer Network. Pretty cool, eh? Try using the link command with other commands you have learned so far to create a program of your choice. In the next lesson, you are going to use the information you have learned so far to create a web page that welcomes visitors to a web page and greets them.